In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a flow with loops in Salesforce, a fantastic tool for any Salesforce admin. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will offer you the clarity and steps you need to effectively manage records through loops. Let's start by logging into your Salesforce account. This is the foundation, of course, for any of the following steps. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Setup area. You can find this by looking for the gear icon located at the top right corner of your page. Clicking on this icon gives you the option to open Advanced Setup, so go ahead and do that. Setup in Salesforce is where you configure all your settings, so it's much like your control center. Once inside the setup, use the Quick Find box, which is like a search bar for Salesforce's vast options, to locate flows. Once you've hit flows, you're met with a variety of options, but what we want is to create something new. So, click on New Flow. This is your starting point for building a flow. Flows in Salesforce help automate complex business processes without you needing to write a single line of code. Now, you need to choose the type of flow that suits your use case. You have the option between record-triggered flow and screen flow. Record-triggered flows are great if you want your automation to kick in automatically whenever a record is created or changed. On the other hand, a screen flow is perfect if you want to guide users through a series of screens. With your flow type selected, it's time to bring in a Get Records element. This element is crucial because it fetches a collection of records that your loop will process. Think of it like gathering all the data points you will need lined up for your loop to access. Next, incorporate a loop element. What this does is enable you to iterate over the collection of records you just fetched. You essentially walk through each item one by one, like flipping through pages of a book. Now that your loop is established, within the loop you can perform operations on each item. You'll commonly use either assignment or update records here. This is where the magic happens, as you decide how each record should be processed or modified. Once your loop has gone through each record and completed its tasks, it's crucial to connect these elements logically. After the loop's completion, use the Update Records element to save any changes you made to Salesforce, effectively updating your database. Finally, ensure your flow works by saving it, debugging for any issues, and then activating it. These final steps are crucial. You want to see your flow in action, operating smoothly without a hitch. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building a flow with loops in Salesforce. Keep practicing, and you'll have this down in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.